Hello. Today's tutorial will cover pleural and pericardial effusions in the PLAX view. Let's go through how to determine which is what. Here we have a normal heart seen in PLAX view. Note the structures seen. Left ventricle. RV, ascending aorta, LA, MV and AV. Note the location of the descending aorta. An important landmark in differentiating pleural and pericardial effusions. What does this echo show? Have a think about it. Take note of the position of the descending aorta. Let's look at the echo loop and a frozen frame side by side. There are two pathologies coexisting here. The pericardial effusion is marked in white. The red marker indicates a large pleural effusion. The arrow likely points to lung within the pleural space. Let's look at another echo clip. This is a pericardial effusion. Why? Because the fluid space is seen anterior to the descending aorta. The pericardial reflection passes anterior to the descending aorta. Fluid seen anterior to this is normally due to a pericardial effusion. The same is seen here more clearly. The descending aorta is labeled, and the pericardial effusion is pointed out. Notice how the collection is located anterior to the descending aorta. Compare this to the next echo clip. In this echo, notice how the area of fluid passes below to the descending aorta. The fluid here is located behind the descending aorta. This is an example of a pleural effusion. We can compare the two side by side. Note the position of the descending aorta in the two images. The image on the left is a pericardial effusion. On the right, the fluid space is seen behind the descending aorta, indicating that this is a pleural effusion. It's interesting, right? To summarize, identification of the descending aorta is key to differentiating a pleural effusion and pericardial effusion. It's important to know the difference, as mistaking one for another could lead to inappropriate patient management. Hope you enjoyed this bite-sized tutorial. Have a good day.